Good evening, I'm Lauren Pastrana.
And I'm Eliott Rodriguez. According to the CDC, nearly 200 people died in the state of Florida from COVID-19 on Thursday, a grim reminder of the toll this summer surge is taking. CBS 4's Jessica Vallejo is live for us at Jackson Memorial Hospital.
And Jessica, doctors and nurses just have to be exhausted at this point.
That's true, and they're not just overwhelmed, but they also tell me they're very concerned because the patients they're seeing right now inside of ICU and they're intubated are those in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, and also pregnant women, which is why they continue to push this vaccine. Florida continues to be the epicenter of the COVID-19 surge, the state breaking a single-day record since the start of the pandemic, with 22,783 new cases reported on Thursday, along with 199 deaths, and that's according to the CDC.
I don't think there's ever a time in my career that I've seen anything like this. The surge was intense over the last 18 months, but nothing like what we're seeing now.
Heather Havericak, the CEO of Broward Health Medical Center, says their hospital is overwhelmed as they keep seeing younger and younger patients with the virus.
We've had to bring in many travel nurses and agency nurses just to help support our staff that are here. Our nurses are absolutely exhausted. They're frustrated. They've been doing this now for 18 months.
And across South Florida, there is a shortage of nurses. This is a look inside of the COVID intense care unit at Jackson Memorial Hospital. It's busy.
Have to keep in mind that we're helping the community. We're helping people in their more vulnerable moments in their lives. We need every nursing staff that we can get, and the more hands, the more minds, the more eyes we get in our units, the better for the patients.
During a roundtable discussion this week with the governor, CEO Carlos Migoya said nurses were leaving for higher paying jobs and said efforts are being stepped up to recruit from nursing schools and other areas.
Looking to bring in traveling nurses to come in and help us out.
But the majority of the patients in ICU are those who are not vaccinated. A new study shows that even people who are recovered from the virus are urged to get a vaccine. The study showed those who ignored that advice had twice the risk of getting infected as those who are not vaccinated. Research has also showed getting the vaccine gives you a boost to natural immunity, including protection against new mutants.
Until our community gets their vaccines, we can't get to the other side of this crisis.
And stay tuned for more at 11. I speak to a doctor who talks about the death rate of COVID-19. He says we should be paying attention more to what happens to us after having that virus and how it leaves a chronic illness. I'm live in Miami, Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 News.